I don't delete.
There. Oh,
Should be
Apollo.
back.
Apollo also needs it, I think, right? Yeah, Apollo. Apollo's not
Pack
in pack.
Apollo too. It's funny because we're not all DG purge. Down, I believe. Nope, that's one down.
And that's 2 down.
Down.
Oh shit, let me reset because my HP was glitched.
By the way, Coco, who's in the pack, is an old clan member of mine. He used to be in a clan called IML, which THH and Pep took down. Disbanded that clan together. Like, that clan is no longer a clan. Like, we destroyed that clan. We made them literally rage quit. They had all their members in one server, which was only like 30, against me and a couple rankers, and we soloed their clan.
Nice.
Coco was mad at me for making IML delete themselves, but it was funny because they wanted me to delete THH, and I was like, no, here's the deal. We're gonna have a war. Whoever wins the war doesn't have to delete their clan, but the loser does. And of course, IML lost, so THH is still up and running. And you won't see any IML members anymore. They either quit Roblox or they just don't play anymore.
Not there are a bunch of people right there that I'm trying my best to kill, but I don't want to because I'm bored. But it'll be entertaining, so I'm gonna just.
Don't hit Zuki. Don't hit Zuki.
Oh. Bro, the funny thing is, I was getting threatened with Layla and Suki earlier because I killed this 20k. Bro, a 20k was attacking me and I didn't feel like attacking back. So, they got me to red before I even attacked. And I killed them. And then they said they're gonna get Layla and Suki on me. And they're still not on me.
Hold on. Apollo said in the GC that you should get him to 60k. Apollo, I didn't get my account to 60k. If you look at the user, it's cybernetic power. I bought this off Pep.
I just fucking teleported.
Yeah, you can do that. If you click on a house on time, you can teleport away.
I know.
They got 134k. Do you want me to ping Pep? He's ranked now.
Pep doesn't really like me. Bro, stop fucking talking in the group chat. I'm getting pings. Fucking unmute.
Just unmute and talk. It's that simple. Kim won't talk. She's too shy.
Yeah.
There's a scripter. Somebody's flinging people.
Yeah, I get Pep.
Alright.
I'm gonna turn into my monk. This is sad that they're exploiting now.
I just got flung. I got flung while I was trying to type.
Yeah, they're trying to fling only us, which means it's someone in their pack.
I know, right? fighting is crazy. I know, right? Pep's coming. Is it Angel?
Angel, how are you don't type in the fucking group chat?
Love, Pack Simply Kai. 97K. He's here to help. He's also in Falling Gang.
Oh my god.
That's Knight.
So you're telling me...
Pep's here. Pep.
Han, shut the
137K,
fuck
no
up.
hesitation.
Shut the fuck up real quick. So you're telling me Knight has access to my ex's account. Oh my fucking gosh.
We got this in the bag now. We have levels more than they do.
Bro.
Peppy is here. If you spam eat, you shouldn't die. Because we've got this. Pack BG Dream again. Steak and fries.
Oh, this is fun.
Alright, we're just winning at this point. Also, if you look at Pep's users, that's not his original account.
I know.
Traded rank for, or not rank for rank, but account for account.
Yeah, I know.
He'd rank 96 on leaderboard right now. It wasn't us, but you're assuming it was us and attacking, so we're killing you.
Oh.
Me, how's it?
That's funny.
Get in there. I didn't call Pep to do all the work, I called Pep to help.
Yeah, I reset because I'm not finna be an animal the entire fucking time.
I think we all got flung.
I didn't. L. Oh, never mind, I got flung.
Imagine getting flung, couldn't be me.
Imagine being one of the first to get flung. Couldn't it be me?
Pep's coming over to help, I think. Pep just got flung! He was coming to help and got flung. How? Oh, it's no fair, he needs an animal! You recording?
Yeah, how did you know?
Because you always are.
No, I'm always recording when it's a war or when
Yeah,
it's...
that's why I said.
Yeah.
Pep just said we won.
Oh my god, imagine flinging me up to the moon.
For real. You can mark that down as a win. We win. We won. Because they're scripting against us. Pep's also an element. Ow! Who sat on me?
That sounds wrong.
Are you still being flung?
I'm only getting flung up, so I'm fine with that.
Just constantly move around and you won't be flung. Constantly move.
Or
Don't
just-
do a pep.
Or just do this.
Don't do a pep.
Literally just jump and you're good.
Or sit under pep. That didn't work. That didn't work.
I'm literally just jumping and I'm not being flung.
I sat under Pep and got flung. Pep didn't get flung.
Bro, I got flung to the goddamn moon. Holy shit. So many people are fucking pinging me. Oh my god, shut the fuck up, Art. I told you.
Ow! Who the fuck just flung me? Love, did you see that? I stood next to you and got flung. Oh. Me too.
I'm a tank. I'ma blow your mind away. There.
Stop skipping. I'm pulling out an elephant too. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm elephant. I'm sitting.
I'm Pep. I'm Pep.
I should kill you.
I wouldn't touch that because, well, I was also like 22k higher than you.
Yeah. And I was getting you down the red. I mean, after
True.
this,
But
you.
I'm also only a few levels higher than you now.
Yeah. So after this, you want to run, 1vs.
A PvP.
Yeah.
Love, where are you? Oh, blue elephant.
Bro, I don't even know who the fuck is who anymore. There's so many goddamn elephants.
Love, be human. I'm gonna be a different elephant. I want a tank. I'm buying a tank.
I'm already a tank.
No. She's like, you better not get me flung.
Imagine being easy.
For real.
Wow, I died.
Ow. Oh.
Oh.
You were at low health too.
Yeah, it was the
We
one
were at
shot.
like red when we started.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were at like you were at like red when I started coming over here.
Oh, that was you?
I'm the green elephant. I'm one of the green elephants. I have Kim on my back.
Oh.
Ow! 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 It died. Died. Just standing in place.
They died.
Kim's the shorty.
Yeah, the funny thing is, a 42k is coming.
A 42k?
Yeah. Let me see if they're here.
We're being attacked. We're being attacked.
Oh, they're here. Oof Master JK. Pack 'em.
Attack Oof Master JK. You run this server at this point. I don't know if you noticed, Gal. As soon as I joined, like 3 other people joined by my side. I don't know if you noticed that. They were some pretty high levels, to be honest. Knight's in Fallen, Kim's in Fallen, Coco's in Fallen.
The funny thing is, I was gonna get Luke, but he didn't want to join. Because TG's Anne's allies. Oh, that's funny.
Pep doesn't like dying. But like, Pep respects PC. Some of the PC users that are in PC, he will kill without hesitation. That's why his name's literally no hesitations.
Aw, he pinged.
Pinged for us.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I want to kill him now.
Not like we can't handle it. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Tell your 42K not to shoot him. They're PvPing.
That's Ark.
Trying to figure out how Pep's that red. Damn!
Oh.
Was up. Is that a flying chest? I don't know if anybody else saw that. Shit, flying chest flew past my screen. You're looking at the levels?
No. Oh.
Just how well Pep instantly ended him as soon as he went to red.
Okay, so apparently my brother here is fucked.
Why is that?
Because he's trying to join PC and I just said Ark and now they know he's here.
Damn it. Get him, Peppy! Get him!
Fuck.
Stop moving! Gal, I run one direction, Kim goes that way, I run the other direction, and Kim goes the other way.
Oh. Oh.
If we have to, we can be small animals. Makes it harder for PC to hit us.
Yeah, I died.
Be a king, be a Roo.
I'll be a baby woo.
Yeah, bro, guide to me. Alright, love form Roos. Baby Roos. Go quick before we die.
Oh, Kitten's here.
That's funny. That's funny.
That's funny. Where are they all?
A lot of us are over by Pep. Yeah, that is a flying chest. Pep's on his way over here. It's hard to hit with the Roo, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because his movements are quick.
I'm gonna be
Yeah,
a bit.
I wouldn't suggest looking at the leaderboard because we caused a bigger war than what we had. I would not suggest looking at the leaderboard.
Bro, they pinged BL. Oh well. Bro, I do no damage.
Pep said I'm here for PvPs. Stop attacking them and they'll stop hitting us.
Bro, Luke joined.
Luke's probably looking at the leaderboard like, holy shit. Bro, chill. I'm trying to eat my lettuce in peace.
Bro, now Dino's here.
Love, why are you so small?
Hey.
It said be a roo, not small.
Well, I mean, to be honest, you did say be a small animal.
True. Y'all want to raid a server?
I want to PvP you first.
I mean, bet.
I don't have a private server though.
Kim does. Add Kim.
Bro, I don't even know her goddamn user.
It's Kim. 48k or 49k.
Okay.
She was 48k last time I saw her on her main.
Bro, last time you saw me, I was like 63k. And that was
I know.
like.
And last time you saw me, I was 33k.
Okay, well, you also got that account from Pep.
And I'm 67k now.
You also didn't grind it. You didn't grind to that level.
Well, I started grinding my 34k.
Yeah,
but
but
now I have like 4 or 5 alts in a main, so I'm resetting. Leave tac, go.
No. Should I go try hard or should I go easy?
It's up to you. You still gonna get your last whooped either way.
Okay, are we doing box or open?
Open.
Okay, let's do.
And it's first to 3.
Okay,
or
let's.
You want to make it 10.
Let's go to 3, but let's do a quick warm up. You ready?
Count real quick. Or we can count. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't forget, I take PvP lessons from Pep, so.
Don't forget, I teach myself. Bro, my HP is also glitched. It don't show up for me, so I can't watch it.
It's funny because we're both technically at half.
Oh.
Stop it, gal! I don't want to lose.
What, you don't want me to embarrass you in front of your girlfriend?
Seen me die before. It's nothing new. I get 80Ks to yellow, so you're pretty as.
If you get 80Ks to yellow, bro, I get 100Ks to yellow.
Have you PvP'd Wings, who learned how to PvP from Pep?
Actually, yes I have, and I got him down the red.
I've gotten him at red before too, but I actually killed him the other day.
I've killed him a couple times.
I'm about to die. I'm at like 1 HP.
So.
That also taught me to keep distance dodge, so. I want the box. I'm not used to open.
You raised
You know
it
what?
yet?
I know what I know what we're doing after this. Once you kill me, I know what's happening.
Well, I don't want to
Won't
kill you
like me
just
for it.
yet. No, I was trying to make that last.
Right.
Okay,
That's what we're
that.
gonna do. So I'm gonna spawn a house. We're gonna do close range. That was warm up. It doesn't count as a win. I'm spawning a house and we're doing close range.
No, no,
because
no.
I swear.
We don't need a
I will
house.
absolutely fucking demolish your ass.
Oh shit. Oh fuck, what house you picking, bro? What the fuck? You want us to PvP in this shit?
Close range for a reason. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, at least I got you.
I would absolutely demolish your ass.
Okay, you call that demolish? Bro, I fucking greened your ass. Talk about demolishing.
Because we were out and open and it was what's it called? It was
Okay,
1-0
come.
right now. Kim,
No,
she's seen me fucking. She's
No,
seen
no,
me
no.
PvP
I'm not
in that
PvPing in
area.
that shit. Fuck that. You-
You scared of losing again?
No, the thing is, you know I can't PvP in that shit. You know that. That's why
Why'd you get all scared when I tried it?
Because I'm
3,
trash.
2, 1, go.
Oh shit. I got caught on the goddamn rock.
My PvP has gotten better, hasn't it?
Not really. I'm just rusty.
Rusty.
Don't
2-0.
Don't forget I was also sick for 3 weeks, so I am very rusty.
True.
Today's
Love,
my...
are you proud of me?
You can
My
only...
PvP, somebody my level and winning.
Okay, so should I go try hard now?
You bet. I'll go try hard on you too.
Alright, give me 1
Let me
sec.
put on my try hard fit.
Bro, I was literally changing my fucking fit.
Let me put on my try hard fit.
Okay, let me go completely small. Okay, Angel, how about
That's
you?
because he lets you kill him, Angel. I have an account that's actually able to kill him, so.
Barely, though.
Angel just called us both heads. So I guess we're gonna have to jump her when she wakes up tomorrow.
Or I'll just hack her until she says otherwise. Angie.
She said I don't play animals, so.
What the
You like my tryhard fit?
Wait, hang on, no, let me see
Give
that.
one go.
What the fuck is that?
It's Bacon Gang. BG.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1, go. I'm not even trying.
So you wanna know how you win every PvP against JJ? JJ, stand still or you hate Kim.
No, thank you.
So you hate her?
Well.
Oh, so you hate her?
She knows I don't hate her. I'm not gonna sit there and just stand still.
Oh, she died.
I think that was you.
I don't know. I just look over and she's dead.
Both looked over and she died. GG, gal.
You're only winning because it's in a fucking closed area. Where you know I am no good in closed areas.
You want to redo that close distant one real quick?
How about we do it all in the open? Festive 3 in the open.
Okay, sure. Right, Hardy?
Huh?
Don't kill me.
I want to PvP her on my alt.
I love you.
Kim.
Her alt's only 11k.
Kim.
Come here, love.
You should let me PvP you on my 17k. I'll hop on my 17k and PvP you.
No, PvP me like that open you wanted to first.
Oh, bad, I'm gonna embarrass 2 people.
Hey, come here.
Aw, he wants a good luck kiss.
Shut up. 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't even give me time to set up. Damn.
Yeah, because you're making fun of me. You're obviously mad you're single.
Who said I was single?
I'm joking. I wouldn't go that far.
Man, who said I was single though?
Whoa. Who are you taken by? That's the question.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's a secret relationship.
I feel like this is just a fireball match right now. And I've hit almost every single one of my shots.
Bro, I had to do it. Oh. Imagine taking PvP classes.
Not my fault I'm taking PvP classes from one of the best PvPers in the game. He wanted to train me. I said, bet.
Yeah, and guess what? I trained myself, bitch. That's why I'm number 1.
You know how good I am? Ask him. Love, don't I get pep to yellow in that little thing? Don't I get pep to yellow on his 100k?
Okay, I would do that also.
No fair. You level, you bitch.
I didn't even notice.
Bitch.
I didn't even notice.
You finna die now.
Aw, someone mad. Bro, you were destined to lose anyways, even if I didn't level. Okay, I'll let you get me low again. Bro. Hang on. Bro, on my screen, you're mad far away.
You shouldn't have done that.
How did you hit me? You punched me.
On my screen, you were right in front of me, so I
Okay,
pushed
bro,
you.
on my screen, I was this far away from you, and you punched me.
Either I punched you or I shot you a fireball.
No. I heard the punch. Like, you hit me. Like that.
Kill me, Glenn. Ow! I was telling her to kill me, not you.
I killed you before you said that. Hey, Kim, PvP me. Bam.
Now it's gonna be be 5-0, because I'm gonna come back and try hard your ass.
Hey!
Don't make me do it, Gal. Don't make me make it 5-0.
Don't make me start trying, actually.
You're not. Are you sure? Because typically this is basically how you PvP'd when you were sick. When I was on the 80K.
Yeah, I know.
Before I met Kim.
Yeah, I know. Which is why should I start trying?
Oh, the poor little baby doesn't want to embarrass me.
Nah. You're not worth my time to embarrass, I'm sorry.
I have 1 HP left and you're not gonna get it.
Are you sure? Ah! Bam!
Damn it! It's 4-1! It's 4-1!
I thought I wanna get it, bitch! I thought I wanna get it! And guess who got it? Not
Apollo
you,
said
bitch!
He's got a 20. Apollo said he's got a 24K DG hater and he's gonna get a clan. So get on your 18 or 16K PvP Kim and then we'll go help him out real quick. Are you
Kim,
proud of me?
I'll PvP you after.
Hey.
Uh,
I said boo.
I got that on
Hey,
video.
Wait. Come here.
I got
wanna
that
ask you
on
something.
video.
No, come here, Gal. Come here.
Kim, do you want me to
Kim,
kill
Stop
him?
running or you don't love me. Stop running or you don't love me.
Kim, do you want me to kill him?
You don't love me? Wow.
You want me to kill him?
No, hold on.
Hang on, Kim, remember the time where I told...
Hold
Hang
on.
on, shut the fuck up.
Everyone shut up.
Shut the fuck up or I'll hack your ass.
Bitch. Bitch, and I'm out of shift. Still whooping your ass. Out of shift. Still whooping your ass.
You're also on a PC and I'm on a phone, and you leveled up.
Give me that last pick, Gal. Give me that last pick, Gal.
Fuck, I was trying to do the hop.
Love. I'm not gonna do it, I promise.
Kim, remember the
I swear
time... Hang on.
I swear on
Kim,
all the love I have for you, I'm not gonna do it.
Kim, remember that time me and him were PvPing and I said if he doesn't stop moving, he hates you? He didn't stop. So why did you stop?
If you don't stop running, you don't love me. Ow.
Exactly,
That's
JJ.
mean. You don't love me? Okay, I'm gonna go find someone else to date then. Let me
JJ,
run around the map and see who I find.
I mean, you didn't stop when I said it, so why should she stop?
No, I'm gonna go find someone else to date. There's gotta be somewhere around this map somewhere.
You're in a VIP, you dumbass.
I can date the golem. Come here.
Kim, he's gonna go fuck the golem.
Yes, I am. Because she won't do it herself.
he wants the golem because he has a big dick.
She's called me fake. Offended. After all this shit I've done for you, you call me fake. Now you deserve to die. Think out. Move.
Oh,
You die for that. Let me reset. You die for that.
ooh, someone mad. Wow, Kim, I
She called you fake.
wow, Kim, I thought we
Come
were
here.
close
I'm
like
better, I'm
that.
better.
Damn, that hurt my feeling, bro.
Love if you. No. Come here. If you put on my favorite fit, I'll stop hitting you. I'll stop hitting you.
It's gonna be something dirty.
It's not. It's actually not. She likes it too.
Hang on, I thought you said I was gonna die.
You will. Just hold on. You wanted to see if it's something dirty.
I did not say that, but okay.
See, it's not dirty.
Is that looks like a.
It's a military sergeant. Now
Bro,
you die.
I was fucking gonna say that it looks like something else, but okay.
Oh, it wasn't supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be a military sergeant, you perverted asshole.
It wasn't even nothing perverted. Bro, I can't
I'm agreeing you.
Bro, I can't PvP. I'm laughing too hard. Okay.
How'd you miss?
I don't know.
How'd you miss? Damn, I jumped and you still hit me. I'm still at green. Stop shooting me with your petty ass cumballs.
Damn, but they're orange, not white.
Who knows? It could be blood.
Blood's red.
It can be orange at times.
Oh. What type of blood? Imagine, bro.
Hey, you perverted asshole! Stop hitting me!
Bro, imagine you were green and now you're down to yellow.
I'll be back to green before you die.
You sure about that?
Ow!
You sure?
Ow! You're still gonna die.
I mean, you're the one that wanted me to try a little, so I'm putting a little bit of effort into it. Bro, if I kill you, that's sad because you were green and I was yellow. Let's
Damn it. Whatever. Let's go help Apollo.
Damn.
It's 4-2, so I still S'd you. Let's go help Apollo.
Imagine getting embarrassed there. You were green.
Do I even have him friended?